Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Ethical AI, Building Fair and Responsible Systems. Imagine you're building a tool, maybe an app that suggests movies or helps doctors diagnose illnesses. AI is like a super smart assistant for these tools. But just like a human assistant, AI can sometimes make mistakes, be unfair, or even be harmful if not guided properly. Ethical AI is about making sure the AI systems we build are fair, safe, and respectful to everyone. As developers, we're not just writing code, we're shaping the future, and that comes with a big responsibility. Think of it like building a sturdy, safe bridge. You wouldn't just build it without thinking about safety regulations, right? Ethical AI is our safety manual for the digital world. Bias is one of the biggest challenges in AI. Imagine you're teaching a robot to identify fruits by showing it only pictures of red apples. If you then show it a banana, it might struggle because it only learned about red apples. In AI, bias means our system has learned patterns from the data that reflect existing prejudices or imbalances in the real world. For developers, this often happens because the data we train our AI on isn't diverse or representative enough. If your training data for a hiring AI mostly contains successful male candidates, the AI might unconsciously learn to favor male applicants. Regardless of skill, we need to be critical about where our data comes from and what it truly represents. Because biased data leads to biased AI, and that's unfair. Once we understand bias, the next step is to build fair systems. But what does fair even mean in AI? It's not always simple. For a developer, building fairness means actively designing and testing your AI to ensure it treats different groups of people equitably. For example, if you're building a facial recognition system, it should work just as well for people with different skin tones or genders. It means asking questions like, is my AI equally accurate across different demographics? Is it accidentally penalizing certain groups? We might use specific metrics or techniques to detect and reduce these disparities. Think of it like designing a game where everyone has an equal chance to win. Regardless of their starting position, we need to level the playing field. Have you ever used an app that made a suggestion, and you wondered, why did it suggest that? Sometimes, AI models can be like a black box. They give an answer, but we don't know how they got there. Transparency and explainability are about opening up that black box. As developers, this means building AI systems where we can understand and articulate why a decision was made. If an AI helps a bank decide on a loan application, it's crucial to know why it approved or denied it. This isn't just for fairness. It also helps us debug, improve, and trust our AI. It's like having a car where the mechanic can explain exactly what went wrong, rather than just saying, it's broken. If an AI system makes a mistake or causes harm, for example, a self-driving car gets into an accident, or an AI-powered medical device gives a wrong diagnosis, who is responsible? This is a critical question for developers and companies building AI. Accountability means defining who is answerable for the AI's actions. It's not just the AI itself. It's the people who designed it, trained it, and deployed it. As developers, we need to consider the potential impact of our AI and design safeguards. This includes having human oversight, clear ethical guidelines, and robust testing. Just like an architect is accountable for the safety of their building design, we are accountable for the ethical implications of our AI creations. AI systems often thrive on data, lots of it. This data can include personal information, sensitive health records, or financial details. Privacy in AI is about making sure we collect, use, and store this data responsibly. Protecting people's personal information, Security is about safeguarding that data and the AI system itself from attacks or unauthorized access. For developers, this means implementing strong data protection measures, like encryption, adhering to privacy regulations, like GDPR, and being mindful of how much data is truly needed. It's like designing a super secure vault for your most valuable possessions you wouldn't leave. The key under the doormat. We need to build trust by showing users their data is safe and respected. So, what can you do as a developer? 1. Question your data. Always ask, is my training data fair, representative, and free from bias? 2. Test for fairness. Actively test your AI's performance across different user groups. Look for disparities. 3. Prioritize privacy. Implement data minimization. Collect only what's needed, and strong security measures. 4. Seek explainability. Can you understand why your AI made a certain decision? Strive for more interpretable models. 5. Think about impact. Before deploying, consider the potential societal consequences of your AI. Who might be affected? 6. Collaborate. Engage with ethicists, social scientists, and diverse user groups. Ethics isn't just a tech problem. Remember, integrating ethical thinking isn't an afterthought. It's a fundamental part of the development process. You are the front line. Building ethical AI isn't just a buzzword. It's essential for creating AI that truly serves humanity and earns trust as new AI technologies emerge. The ethical challenges will also evolve. By understanding concepts like bias, fairness, transparency, and accountability, you're not just becoming a better developer. You're becoming a responsible innovator. The power of AI is immense. And with that power comes the responsibility to wield it wisely. Let's work together to build AI systems that are not only intelligent but also fair, safe, and beneficial for everyone. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.